Congratulations and celebrations. This is the moment of your dedication. Cheers to the dream that came true. We celebrate all that you've been through.
Not sure.
Unforgettable.
Go.
She want marry me, yo. I hope so she sabi Kuku. Hope your love will sweet past she done. Baby girl, I say, I feel like, oh, I get tired of your body, oh, only on your body. Let's go for the corner, there's somebody for the call. See the right now, I see fire for my body.
other in the most beautiful way. Okay, that's it for now. We're going to have a words of thanks from the bride and the groom. Can I get everybody?
And we're just so thankful for his faithfulness even when we're not faithful. And my uncles and my aunties, my cousins, everyone who helped with the decoration, thank you so much. You know, my aunties and my uncles, they don't usually wear dresses or colorful outfits, and today they showed up. They look so beautiful. Yes, you are in Yadi, dear Quadrimona. You chica no, Tila, you see, Ratidumama. You think you're not Polonia, a lot of Japona. And who me, the Lawanya, you back when you see Ratila. When this day was possible because you guys all said yes to our ideas. So I want to say thank you, Tablidomana. And I do apologize for the sun. My son, we'll work it out. And just thank everyone so much for coming. I'm gonna save my speech for tonight. Now with us, those who I also want to thank my mom and my dad, Trevor's mom and Trevor's dad. Thank you guys so much for raising such a good son. He's the best man ever, and I'm so thankful. Just thank you so much, and thank you for my mom and my dad for sacrificing so much so that I can come to Australia and somehow meet him. He was in IEC, I was in Balga. Somehow we met. So thank you, my mom, my dad, my family members, and Trevor's family members too, for cooking. They were preparing like food on Friday and Thursday, all day, all night. Thank you guys so much for everything. Even my uncles and my aunties. It's so happy. Do it so much. You're more relaxed. I promise you guys, we're all about now. With us head, we're gonna party tonight. We're gonna be more relaxed. Okay, no more sun, shade, chill night. Okay, please stay. Yeah, thank you.
I just want to say thank you for everyone. Hope you all eat good and you all look good. And just blessed and happy for this. I can't speak much. I start coughing. You are fun. Mon mari content, he's a tout happy là. Nous avons piqué de ça. Moi, mais Maris est big up for one, mais il faut comme il faut venir. Alright, thank you.
Okay, can we give them all attention? And when they cut the cake, I'm going to count to 3 and we're going to give them a big tap. So, Nyada Lidba and Trevor's parents next to him. Okay, I'm going to count to 3. Let's all count to 3. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna feed. Okay, Trevor's gonna feed Pony, and Pony's gonna feed Trevor. Is Kasu here? Kasu also have prepared some games and prizes. So, very good prizes. Can someone get Kasu, please?
Kipanya mana dulu? Muna wala.
Okay, you can take a seat. Before we do the games, we're going to hear speeches from siblings.